Hi everyone, my name is Priyanka Mane. Today's topic is climate change. The change it refers to significant long-term change in the average temperature, patterns and other atmospheric conditions on the earth. It has one of the most pressing global issues with the widespread consequence for ecosystem, societies and economies. The primary driver of current climate change is human activity. Burning of fossil fuels such as coal, oil, natural gases increases the concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. Causes of climate change. In the earth climate system is natural and human driven factors. Recent climate change are predominantly caused by the human activity. The key contributions of the climate change is included the greenhouse gas emission, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrogen oxide. The primary greenhouse gases is releases by the human activities. The fossil fuel for the energy, industrial process, agriculture practice, concentration of the gaseous in the atmosphere. Greenhouse gases are preventing escaping into the warning. It is the greenhouse effect. Deforestation. Forests act as carbon absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Deforestation is agriculture. Logging reduce the earth capacity to absorb the CO2 higher atmospheric carbon level. Industrial agriculture. Agriculture farming generates the significant amount of methane, potent greenhouse gas. Additionally, the synthetic fertilizer lead to releases the nitrogen oxide. They are harmful to the global warming. Land use change. Urbanizations, expansion for agriculture, changes in land management contribute to climate change. Forest develops the carbon stores in the soil and vegetation is released to the atmosphere. Evidence of climate change. The evidence of the climate change is overwhelming and comes wide range of the scientific sources. Rising of global temperature. Global temperature have increased significantly the past century. Intergovernmental panel on climate change. The Earth's surface temperature has risen by approximately 19th century. Decades have seen some years on the record. Melting ice and snow. The polar ice caps are melting at an accelerated rate. The Arctic warming faster than rest of the planet. Its phenomenon is known as the Arctic amplifications. Earth reflectivity leading the more heat absorptions and further warming. Sea level rise. Rising temperature and causes the thermal expansion of the sea water leading rising sea level. Particularly low-lying regions are experiencing the impacts of flooding and erosion. Extreme weather events. Climate change is an increase in the frequency, intensity and weather the events, including heavy rainfalls, become more powerful and region experience mild weather the pattern and now facing the more severe conditions. Shifting ecosystem and biodiversity loss. Climate change is affected to the ecosystem and biodiversity. As a temperature, many species as a forced to the migrate the color. Some species due to the inability to adapt the changing conditions. Impact of climate change. The climate change are the vast and multifaceted affecting of every aspects of the earth. some of the most significant impacts. Human health. Climate change are the numerous risks of human health. Rising temperature, frequently heat related illness, death, affect water quality, leading to the waterborne diseases, spread the infectious diseases such as malaria, dengue, fever, the climate zones, and increased the humidity. Another one is agriculture and food security, and that is all effect of climate change. Thank you.